Welcome to Slide Egg. Today, we're going to create a 4-step infographic with a morph transition in PowerPoint. Let's get started. Then, head to the View tab and make sure the Guides option is selected, so you have a nice reference for positioning your shapes. Now, select the rounded rectangle shape and drag it onto your slide. Once you have it in place, drag the new shape over to the right side of the slide. Next, align the two shapes by making sure their center lines match up. Select both shapes and drag them down to the bottom of the slide. After that, select all the shapes and center them in the middle of the slide. Right-click on any of the shapes and choose Format Shape. A pane will appear on the right side. Click the Gradient option, and you'll see a range of colors. I'm going to add red here, but feel free to choose whatever colors you like. Now, move to the left corner and click on the Format Painter. Use this tool to apply the same color to the other shapes. Next, let's add some icons. Head to the Insert tab and click on Icons. Select the icon you want and insert it. Then, change the color of the icon to white. Once the icon is in place, center all the shapes around it. Once everything looks good, duplicate the slide. On the new slide, select the shape, go to Shape Format, and change the height to 2.85 and the width to 5.1. Adjust the shape so it fits properly. Next, increase the icon size to 1.8 for both height and width. Adjust the icon and shape until they're aligned just right. Now, insert a text box and type in your text. Duplicate the slide again and repeat the process for the other shapes. Select the right bottom shape, increase its size, adjust the icon, and add your text. Keep duplicating the slide and repeat the process. For the next slide, drag the shape to the bottom, and adjust the left bottom shape, increasing both the shape and icon size. Don't forget to add text. Duplicate the slide again and do the same for the first shape. Increase its size, adjust the icon, and add the text. For the last step, duplicate the first slide once more and drag it to the final position. Now that all the slides are ready, select all of them, go to the Transitions tab, and choose the Morph transition. And there you have it. You've successfully created a stunning 4-step infographic with a morph transition in PowerPoint. Thanks for watching.